Welcome to video number 258 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, through a short movie clip, you can learn an interesting colloquial or spoken phrase. A short video clip from the great comedian Vivek. veettulE sollittU vandhuttiyaa, which translates to have you come after informing your family members. veettulE sollittU vandhuttiyaa. veettulE means at home, but it can also mean the family members in spoken language. You watched the video. Vivek leaned and stuck his head out of the window, and the bus conductor angrily said, veettulE sollittU vandhuttiyaa. So, what does it mean? It means, have you told your family that you're not coming back ever? You will hear this often in the road rage when someone suddenly appears in the wrong path and the person driving the car is about to hit that person. veettulE sollittU vandhuttiyaa, which means, have you informed your family that you're going to die? But in the Vivek's comedy that we have just seen, the conductor scolds Vivek because he may get killed as he has his head stretching out of the window. Watch it once again. And there is another word people use to add effect. It is Saaki, means the one supposed to die. Or it can also be translated to the dying category. An exact translation is difficult. Sariyana Saaki means a person totally destined to die. We'll see many such colloquial phrases which will be helpful for your learning.